The Hubble Space Telescope has gazed directly into the core of a dazzling universe. The observatory caught this head visible of a great planned twisting cosmic system, called NGC 3631, situated around 53 million light-years from Earth. The heavenly framework can be found toward the Ursa Major star grouping. These particular universes have arms that appear to fold over the cosmic system's construction, as well as into the core of the world. The arms of NGC 3631 are loaded up with brilliant locales where stars are being conceived, as well as dull, dusty regions. Stars structure inside the twisting arms because of a logjam of material. All the more leisurely moving material inside the universe can slow down, bringing the gas and residue expected to make stars together inside the inward piece of the winding arms. As this development of issue develops more thick, it encounters a gravitational breakdown, prompting the introduction of new stars. Star development should be visible in dazzling blue-white in the new Hubble picture. Different shades of blue address apparent light and the orange feature infrared light, which is generally imperceptible to the natural eye. This picture was made utilizing information from Hubble's Wide Field Camera 3 and Advanced Camera for surveys. Winding systems are unimaginably normal across the universe, while amazing planned twistings are more extraordinary. They stand apart due to their very distinct twisting arms.